I'm not on the highway. That's a regular ass city road right there. My friend, that is a regular ass city road. There's no highway. There's a highway on-ramp. If I had turned onto the on-ramp, you would have a point. I did not turn onto the on-ramp. I went from a city road to a city road. Why did you think that illegally honking at me for half a block was a good idea? Why do you think that honking at me illegally was... It's illegal to honk at people for no reason. Are you gonna assault me right now on camera? Are you gonna assault me on camera? Is that what you're gonna do?